Hi, this is Neville from FilmD AE Registry, and today I'm going to make chicken with coconut gravy. So the ingredients that I have right now is chicken, then I have tomatoes with chilies and some onion. I also have some ginger garlic paste with me. So right now what we'll do is we'll marinate the chicken first, and let's see how it goes. So now I've taken some chicken masala, red chili powder, turmeric and some ginger garlic paste, which I will be mixing the chicken with and keeping it for marination for about say 30 to 45 minutes. Now I have the paste ready. This is the marination paste. So we'll be marinating this chicken with this marination paste. So we'll go with taking a few pieces slowly and steadily. So now we have marinated the chicken. We'll be keeping it into the fridge. Now we'll go ahead with cutting the onions and the tomatoes. So now I'll be cutting off some chilies along with the tomato that I have, the onions and the tomatoes that I have here. Let's hope for the best. Can you guys see me though? I hope so. Okay. So we'll be cutting off the chilies first, and then we'll be having the tomatoes and the onions cut. I'll be just slicing the onions because we need to saute them first, and once we have them sauteed, we'll get that into the mixer. Just the onions and the chilies. So we will be cutting them into straight lines here. And once we have the onions cut, we'll be cutting with the tomatoes. So as you have sweet cutting. Careful with your fingers there. Cut myself many times. There we go. You're almost done with the onions. You're almost done with it. So I'll see you soon with the rest of the things which are cut and in place for you. Okay, so now I have the onions chopped, the chilies chopped, and we'll be going on with the tomatoes. Okay. So let's hope we get the tomatoes cut as soon as possible. We'll be getting it into the mixer, so that's why I'm keeping it a little bigger. Once we have it, we'll get that done as soon as possible. Be careful of your hand once again. Just for one. It might get cut. always make sure that your knife is sharp enough, because if your knife is not sharp enough, it tends to move away from the point of cut, which usually results in a cut off your hand. There we go, we are done with the tomatoes. There it is. So this dish is actually a dish which I usually make at home. So it's an easy and a simple dish, and hope you guys like it. So we are done with the tomatoes, and hope to see you guys soon. And we have tomatoes cut, we have onions and the chilies. So now what we'll be doing is we'll be sauteing the onions and the chilies along with a bit of a ginger garlic paste along with it. After which we'll put it into the mixie for the paste to be created. So right now I have taken a little bit of oil just to saute the onion all together, and we saute it till it gets a little bit of a goldenish pinkish color. You can have a look. I'm just getting it sauteed a bit. Still do not have the required texture on the onions yet. I'll be keeping it for around, I'll be sauteing it for around 5 to 8 minutes max. And I'll be covering this lid now so that it can get a bit more sauteed properly. I've put the lid on it right now, so we'll let it cook for around a good 2 to 3 minutes. I do that usually is because when I make a paste of the onion, I do not have to cook it for a longer period of time after I've made it a paste. We just let it cook for some time, like around 5 to 10 minutes again. I've added the ginger garlic paste once again into another bowl. I'm just frying it so that we can get a better taste of the gravy. You can see here. You just let it cook till it's golden brown. Now I have added the gravy as well. If you see, we have a nice texture of the gravy now. And this gravy is going to be awesome. I can smell it right away. So let's hope for the best. Once this is cooked properly, I will be adding in the chicken, and then we'll let it cook till the chicken is cooked properly. Now the gravy is cooked. I'll be adding in the chicken now so that we can get everything in place. So now I have added the chicken as well so that it can cook in the gravy, and we'll wait for the chicken to cook now. Okay guys, so let's see. We have the chicken ready. Just getting it cooked a little bit more. After which I have the chopped coriander, which I'll be putting it in as the topping after the dish is cooked. So after it is cooked, I'll show you the whole dish once again, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. So we now have the chicken gravy. The chicken is ready. I'll be adding in the coriander. Now mixing it again. There we go. We have our chicken with coconut gravy ready. And once it is, I'll share the pictures as well. Thank you. And this is Neville from Figendi, the episode of Men in Kitchen. Have a great day.